Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. First, open any editing application. I use CapCut. Go to New Project. Now add 28 photos. Select Format 9:16. Now adjust all photos to full screen. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now trim all photos to this time duration. You can delete rest of the photos if they are going beyond audio. Now check your video. Now select resolution and export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.